I can explain this. See, Robin is a student of mine, and
You should see the other guy.
You took care of all of her. No, it wasn't anything like that. You don't understand.
Oh, I read that letter she wrote. I think I understand all there is.
Fuck happened to her?
She started shrieking, you know.
Jesus. Well, I got the money. All of it. All 80 grand. That's 40 for you, 40 for me. That's it then. You could have my truck. I'm taking Sierra.
We split that.
How the fuck do you split a fucking car, you dummy? With a fucking chainsaw?
One of us pays the other for half.
Hold on. No fucking way. You fucking notice this? I got fucking shot. I got fucking shot in the face. I went and got the fucking money. I got shot fucking picking it up. I've been there for 36 fucking hours. I'm taking that fucking car. That fucker's mine, you fucking asshole. You know, I've been listening to your fucking bullshit all week. Are we square? Are we square? Yeah, you fucking mute. And if you see your friend Shep Proudfoot, tell him I'm gonna nail his fucking ass.
I'll call you later.
His wife, this guy says she was kidnapped last Wednesday.
The day of our homicides.
Yeah.
And this guy was who?
Lundegaard's father-in-law's accountant.
Gustafson's accountant.
Yeah.
But we still haven't found Gustafson?
Looking.
Sorry, didn't copy, Lou.
Still missing. We're looking.
Copy. And Lundegaard, too?
Yeah. Where are you, Margie?
Oh, I'm almost back. I'm taking a drive around Moose Lake.
Oh, Gary's loudmouth.
Yeah, the loudmouth. So the whole state has it, huh? Gustafson and Lundegaard.
Yeah, it's over the wire. It's everywhere. They'll find them.
Copy.
Yeah, we got a lead on this.
There's the car! There's the car!
Whose car?
My car! My car! Tan Sierra! Tan Sierra!
Okay, careful, Margie. I'll send a couple cars.
So that was Mrs. Lundegaard on the floor in there. And I guess that was your accomplice in the Woodchipper. And those 3 people in Brainerd. And for what? For a little bit of money. There's more to life than a little money, you know. Don't you know that? And here you are. And it's a beautiful day. Well, I just don't understand it.